Well. If we don't change, we don't grow. And if we don't grow, we are not living. Isn't it? Of course it is. So with that being said and done, let us see what Blender developers have given us the options to edit or to change any object in Blender. The next tool which we will be seeing is object mode, edit mode, and go to the direct. So if you want to go from object mode to edit mode, you can use the tab button as well, and for vertex, edge and face mode 1 2 3 on the keyboard. So with that being said and done, let us take the next option, bevel. For that, first I will go to the face mode and select one of the face. We won't be applying everywhere. I want to show you the concept behind how bevel works. Now if I click and drag this yellow button, the bevel is taking place, and I am not still releasing the mouse button, and I am rotating the mouse wheel. You see, we are getting extra edges and curvature. That's one thing that you need to remember. With the help of mouse wheel, we can give extra edges. Blender gives us a small menu over here, and we can change the offset from here. We can change the way the offset will be changed based on width or depth or percent or offset. Vertex only, it will only apply on vertex. Wherever the vertex are there, only apply there. Mark sharp, mark seam, these we will be seeing when the context is correct. When we will be talking about UVs, at that time mark sharps and mark seams. So with that, next option we have segments, the amount of segments you want. Little zoom a little bit, amount of segments you want. The more the segment, the more smoother here. Then we have the profile. If you want sharp, if you want negative sharp, you have the negative sharp. Material, I will say material is a topic for some another day. Let us see what this outer and inner is, and before going there, all these modes are relatively simple and easy because they are not going to show a big change. It sometimes you get errors into the modeling. At that time these buttons might help us. Currently my model is very simple, that's why it's not required now. And one more thing that I liked about Blender is I will increase the segments. I will go to custom profile. It is whole another world in itself. What it does is, actually, you see our custom, the shape of the bevel is diagonal, but if you click here and click and drag, you can change the way the Blender keeps our bevel. Isn't it that awesome? It's great, it's wonderful. You can change the way the bevel is going to act, and this can be helpful while if you have a set piece and you want to put a photo frame. At that time we have designated photo frames. For that would be one use we can see there. And not only that, Blender developers have even given us presets like support loops, something like this. Corners modeling, you see this at the edges of the buildings, at the edges of the ceiling. Crown modeling, this is also one type of modeling. And steps is nothing but steps. For it to clearly be visible, we need to raise the segments, so the steps are easily visible. and if you want to reset it, if you want to reset it, you have to go to preset and default, and here is your default bevel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe button, and if you want to say something to me to make me feel good, you can comment. And if you want to wholeheartedly support me, you can go on my Patreon page and help me survive. And if you want to support me wholeheartedly, you can go on the Patreon page. The links will be given in the description. And with that being said and done, see it, try it, understand it. Until then, I will see you in the next video.